guys, well, here we are again on an FZ09. Wonder why we're doing that. Well, of course, to test out this Quickshifter. My friend here is letting me test out his FZ09 again. He took the cage off and the bags. It says it feels a little bit different, and it does from when I rode it for my review video. Last time I also didn't know that it had a Quickshifter on it, so I didn't get to experience that. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take a quick highway bomb. It's gonna be a fun one. Huge thanks again for him letting me ride this. Coming out here, having some fun. Got some motorcycle content for you guys while the KLX is in the shop. I'll put the mods list again down in the description below so you guys can see what's done to it. But we're gonna have some fun. I'm pretty excited to test out this Quickshifter. It's gonna go. This thing sounds sweet. Oh, that Quickshifter's nice. Let's give him some space here. Oh yeah. Quickshifter is butter. That's not even getting on it. Ooh, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but man, that is sweet. First bike I've ridden with a Quickshifter. This thing is awesome. Alright, getting on the highway. Here's the real test here. Awesome. That is just awesome. Oh wow. Wow, that is the first time I've ridden with a Quickshifter, and it rips. Let's go ahead and slow down for my buddy here on the 250. I could just grab that throttle all day, listen to that triple just scream. Very stable on the highway. Let's get one more and then we'll turn around. Oh man, that puts a smile on your face. It's going, wow. Wow. That is a whole bunch of fun. Surprisingly, there isn't that much wind on my face, not as much as the KLX. It feels pretty good on the highway going 65 here. I do have to say though, those KLXs look pretty good rolling along the road. That was pretty fun. I think we're gonna get off the highway here. All right, he says there's a tunnel this way. We're gonna go ahead and hit that up. Going on the tunnel. We're gonna rip it. That sounds awesome under there. Wow. This FZ09 is a pretty fun bike, huh? That sounds mint. So we got a little taste of the highway here. Now we're gonna go ahead and go through the city, I think he said. All right, one more time through the tunnel, shall we? Quickshifter feels real nice, even at lower speeds in the city here. That's where my camera cut off, but all I was saying after that was it was nice to ride the FZ through the city to see how it handles at lower speeds. But that is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on, and stay tuned for some other project stuff that we're working on. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition, they just don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walk around